Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. It's summertime now, so I've got some ideas for you on how to keep the kids busy this summer. Really fun little toolkits so they can help in the garden. There's little metal trowels, a little rake. Get the kids involved and they really love it. Really nice quality and really colorful, really pretty. We have gloves so they can help as well, pulling weeds or putting some tomatoes in the ground or whatever, pulling radishes. How great is that for the kids to learn about gardening? They need a sun hat when they're in the garden, keep the sun off. This one's reversible, it's cute. It's got a little happy camper on it, which is really fun. We've got all kinds of different hats. Little metal watering can as well. Like, how cute is that? You don't see metal too much anymore. We have little buckets as well, so these are really nice. A little better than plastic. Really colorful again. We have a whole bunch of socks as well. Like, look at this one with the cute little ladybugs on it. So for the little kids, those are really awesome. We also have some carving kits. So these are little soapstone carving kits. It's got all the things you need in there to make these little images, little bears and elephants and cats and things. We've got some puzzles. This solar print kit is really fun. You just lay some special paper out in the sun with a piece of fern or plant or whatever you like on it, and you get this reverse image from it, which is really fun. And then we have a little binocular set for kids starting out. It's got a little guidebook with it as well, trivia games, bingos, all kinds of fun stuff. So pop by and we can show you all the great things to help keep the kids busy this summer. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.